First of all, welcome to my channel. If you are an old subscriber, welcome to my channel. I always fasting going for my Muslim subscribers, and if you're not Muslim and you're not participating in this month of Ramadan, how are you? I hope you guys enjoy this Ramadan daily content that I'm about to bring to you guys. So I'm trying to like at least post Ramadan daily. And when I say Ramadan daily, I don't know if I'm going to be consistent, if I'm going to post daily. What's wrong with, oh god guys, my siblings, they're so annoying. They're literally behind this window. So I'll see if I can post daily. If not, it's going to be weekly or twice a week. I don't know. Anyways, so I'm going to try. So I'm going to go to the ATM, then come back home because I need to like get something to make. So that's basically a pair of jeans.
Can't run away.
I'm wearing a pair of jeans. Outside my window. Where are you going?
Please key in your person. Please take your cash.
I've been blocking. So guys, I don't know if you guys can see the stuff flying around. It is so nasty. I think it comes with the rain, and I hear people used to eat this stuff. It's nasty. So I came back from the 18th and I decided to make corn for my siblings, and they've been disturbing me like non-stop. So I'm gonna check on the corn so I can give it to them. That's the corn growing. So yeah, I promised them the corn and I just got back. So I'm gonna go call them. I think the corn should be ready by now. I'm gonna call them to take the corn. Yeah, see, look at Taiwo has been disturbing me. Why are you chasing? Why are you disturbing me? Why are you disturbing me? I don't think the corn is soft yet though. You have to wait for. Oh my god, it is soft. So I'm gonna do it now. Let me put it in hot cold water for you. Should go.
Cold water.
Take one. I come and take one.
I'll be like the person to collect for her.
Yeah, take.
Is it cold?
Eat this for plate.
This one is for me, Ali.
Yeah, take it. Ken, come and take yours.
Mom must be big, oh. Mom must be big. This is my
What about mama? Take, give this to mama. So mission is accomplished. I already did them their corn. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go inside and relax for a bit. Kenny! So I'm just going to go relax for a bit. I don't really have a lot of stuff to do today, like I said earlier. So I'm planning to like create content today, but it's going to be later in the night. So I'm just going to like schedule that content for tonight, and let's just see how the day goes basically. But I know that by maybe by 5, then I'll start making iftar. Then I'm going to bring you guys along obviously. So I'll see you guys when next I pick up my camera to vlog. Yeah, peace. So I just got a call that I have a package in the post office. So I'm just gonna go pick it up ASAP. So the one that called, because I'm kind of like a regular customer in the post office, so when they call me, they kind of tell me where the package is from. Most of the time it's usually from like AliExpress, because I usually order a lot from AliExpress. But today she was like, oh, the package is from the Great Britain, it's from the UK. That's what she said. So, and I didn't order anything from the UK, but I kind of know what it might be. There's this company in the UK that was going to send me a PL package. So I want to believe it is that, like, it's gonna be a payout package. The post office is not very far from my house. It's like far, but like it's not very far. So I'm just gonna go real quick, go to the post office, pick up whatever it is, and then I need to go to the market to buy some stuff for iftar. So that's basically how it is. I actually told you on the phone that I was gonna come pick it up tomorrow, that I won't be able to come today because I was feeling lazy to go. But I just realized I'm already going out to the market to buy stuff. So why not just catch two birds with one stone? So I'm gonna go to the post office first and then to the market. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me if I am not too shy to vlog because vlogging is like new to me and it's just weird. But if I'm not shy to vlog, I'm gonna vlog a little bit of it. So I don't want to talk too much. Let me just go and then I'll see you guys. Inside the post office. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma. Wa salam. Akwawe. So guys, I got it and it is basically from the brand I was expecting. It's from Wonder Skin. I'm going to show you guys the content. We'll do like an unboxing video. Assalamualaikum. How you doing? Alibasa. So guys, I just got back home and I'm seriously exhausted. I am so exhausted. So let's unbox this stuff. As you can see, I'm trying to cover my address right here, but it is from Wonder Skin, and yeah, I'm quite excited. So I'm just gonna, like, I already opened the box. I'm just gonna bring it out and then I'll show you guys. So this is what we have in the box. We have two Wonder Blading lip color from Wonder Skin, and we have one brow color. So I'll show you the shade that I have. For the first lip color, I have, let me focus this, I have Divine for the first lip color. For the second lip color, I have Sweetheart, and for the brow color, I have Dark Brunette. So I'm gonna open this and show you guys. I can't wait to actually try this out. Like, I've been seeing, let me try focus here. I've been seeing a lot of like the reviews online, and I'm actually excited for getting this PR. So I'm gonna open it and show you guys what's in there. So in the box, the lip box, there is the lip mask, which is like the actual like microblading mask thing, and then there's like an activator which you spray on it after that, and there is like a wipe, like a cloth that used to wipe it off, I think, I don't know, and then there's like a user manual in there. That's for the lip color. I want to believe this is the same thing as inside the other one, the other shades. I just have two shades, so I'm going to check the brow. I don't believe this is the same thing as well, but I'm going to check what's in the brow pack. So for the brow pack, it actually came with 4 things, and oh my god, I absolutely love the packaging of this. So this is the actual brow like dye or mask, and then it also comes with the same activator from the lip pack. Then it comes with this pencil. It is basically lipstick and gel. So I don't believe this can be like a brow pencil and a lip pencil, and oh my god, the color is so rich. Can you guys see? Oh my god, I bent that. Oh my god, I just broke it, but then look at the color. Oh my god, it's so rich. And it also comes with the same cloth but in gray color. So I can't wait to actually try this out. I'm really excited to try everything out. If you want to see my review on this, check my Instagram. I'm definitely going to be doing a video on Instagram for this. Alright guys, it's about 5 p.m. I'm about to make iftar. Like I'm just gonna make it that. Like, I'm about to prepare. So I have some pepper right here. I'm just gonna blend this up. Right here I have some tomato. I have scotch bonnet, and I have I think this is called chili. So I have chili, I have scotch bonnet, and I have tomato. So I'm just gonna blend this up coarsely. Like it's not gonna be smooth because today for iftar I'm gonna be making concoction rice. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but concoction rice is basically concoction rice. So I'm going to put in fish, then I'm going to be boiling some egg as a side. So first thing first, I want to wash and blend this pepper. So let's do this. So now I'm preparing the pepper, but that way it makes your work faster and more efficient. So that's what I'm doing right now. So while that is going, I'm going to prep my fish. So I'm going to be squeezing this fish into the concoction rice. I'm going to cut it into pieces because I'm going to be parboiling the fish as well. So I have my fish in here and I just seasoned it with some salt, some bouillon and curry powder. And I'm also going to boil some of the eggs I bought. I'm boiling a few for the side. So that's basically what I'm doing. I'm going to put these two on the stove right now and we'll get that going. So what I was about to eat. This guy or this one? Can you please start? So I just got the ingredients ready for the rice. So I have my rice here for the recap. I have my onions, I have my crushed fish. In here I have my spices. This is bouillon, thyme, curry, and then some jollof mix. This is basically tomato paste. So this is basically everything I'm going to be using for this concoction rice. To show you guys the end result of our concoction rice. So this is what it looks like. I'm almost done eating. I'm actually full right now. I'm just gonna keep this for later. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here today because I'm just gonna like relax for a bit for like 30 minutes and I'm gonna start filming. Like I have my light here, I have like set up my whole setup. So I'm just gonna film for Instagram because it's been so long that I've uploaded on Instagram. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to subscribe button down below and be sure to the bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Cheers.